Dear friends, I will today tell you about what will happen if in any field we force the conductor forward or backward. Then what will be the direction of induced current in the motor in the conductor. So this is N and this is S, and there is a magnetic field flux B, and a conductor is placed and there is no any movement, there is a velocity V, and so the flux lines will be straight like this. Another condition happens when the velocity is not zero, conductor is moving this direction, and the flux lines will be like this. And we can take another third condition here, that the conductor has further moved in that direction, and all the fluxes are concentrated, too much concentrated on the left side. So here this conductor has pushed the flux lines to this direction, and all the flux directions are like this, downwards like this. And another condition happens like this, when the conductor is brought too much crossing the flux lines, though the flux lines have not broken. So the direction of the flux is represented here like this, you can see here. And means and the last the condition will come when the conductor will break the flux lines, and all the flux lines will encircle the conductor, and circle the conductor like this direction, and the main flux will go straight like this from N to S. And this is magnetic field intensity, field flux intensity B. And so in this way we can see that the forcing the conductor in this direction has set up a current upwards this direction, and the field is in the direction. So you can see that the field is here. You can represent the like this, that field is in this direction X, the force in Z direction, and the current is in Y direction, means upwards current will be there. So by changing this and other way, we can see this, means the Z has taken in this direction, means only the coordinates have moved like this. So the Y will be here, and X will be here, and the Z will be upwards. So the overall representation of this generating mode can be like this. So this is given by this hand rule. So this is the direction of field, and the palm upper face of the palm represents the force, and this represents the current. So you can see here that the thumb represents the current, as usual in the case of motoring. Thumb will always represent the current, and the direction of the fingers will represent the field flux, and a type of lines by the fingers, and the force will be upwards. So in the motoring case, this is the representation, and in generating case, this is the representation. And the quantities are indicated by this field, and this is current, and this is force. So this is for generating case, and as shown in previous video, this is for motoring case. So from here we can conclude that the left hand palm rule represents the generating case, and right hand palm rule represents the motoring case. Thank you very much.